everyone, my name is Pham Khang. I'm 9 years old. I'm in third grade in Winden, Primary School. I live in District 12, Ho Chi Minh City. Today, I am very happy to talk about stop snoring. Grandpa is snoring very loudly. Billy in bed will wake him up. They shake Grandpa's shoulders. Grandpa keeps snoring. Squeeze Grandpa's nose. Grandpa keeps on snoring. They tickle Grandpa's feet. Grandpa keeps on snoring. They play Grandpa music drums. Grandpa keeps on snoring. They spin Grandpa's chair. Grandpa keeps on snoring. They dance to Grandpa's music. Grandpa keeps on snoring. They style Grandpa's hair. Grandpa keeps on snoring. Billy and Brad are tired. They sleep on Grandpa's floor. Grandpa wake up. Who is snoring so loudly? He asked. Next are the weeds.